Hi everyone, today I'm excited to show you the Chelegance JPC-12 upgrade to JPC-7 kit, a smart and cost-effective way to transform your JPC-12 portable antenna into a full JPC-7 setup without buying a whole new antenna. This upgrade kit lets you take your existing JPC-12 antenna system and convert it into the JPC-7 configuration quickly and easily. It's designed with perfect compatibility, meaning no modifications or extra tools are required. Just assemble the included parts and you are ready to go. Inside the kit, you'll find all the essential parts needed for the conversion: a replacement whip and coil, new arm connectors, a button and base antenna, knob screws, and a tripod adapter. Everything fits together just as if it were built for it from the start, seamless and efficient. Once installed, your antenna adopts the JPC-7 configuration, which effectively gives you a versatile HF setup similar in layout to a portable dipole. Perfect for dipole-type operation modes or horizontal installation. This enhancement expands how you can use your antenna, especially for field operations or emergency communications. So what are the advantages? First is save money. Don't need to buy a separate JPC-7 antenna. Second is perfect fit. Parts designed specially for easy integration. And the third is portable and convenient. Great for ham operations who travel or operate in the field. Whether you are setting up at a campsite, activating parts on the air, or deploying emergency communications scenarios, this upgrade kit gives you expanded antenna flexibility without extra bulk or cost. If you already own a JPC-12 and want to get even more out of it, the JPC-12 to JPC-7 upgrade kit is a really smart and user-friendly solution. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more gear breakdowns and practical tips. 73.